What causes bones to make popping sounds? The type of joints that we can most easily pop or crack are the diarthrodial joints. The easiest joints to pop are the ones in our fingers, the interphalangeal and the metacarpophalangeal joints. As the joint capsule stretches, its expansion is limited by a number of factors. That volume is set by the amount of synovial fluid contained in the joint. The synovial fluid contains dissolved gases, including oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. The cracking or popping sound is thought to be caused by the gases rapidly coming out of solution, allowing the capsule to stretch a little further. Thanks for watching. Take care.